Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to add your website to your TikTok account. I will show you how you can be able to link your website to your TikTok account, and it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So let me tap on this right away. You can see my TikTok app is opening. So once your TikTok app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on your TikTok profile at the bottom right corner. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. Now the next step you have to take right away is to tap on where you can see edit. You can see where it is written edit right there at the right hand side. So let me tap on edit. But guys, before I tap on edit, let me quickly mention this. Not everyone will be able to add website link or any clickable link on their TikTok profile, because this is made available depending on the type of accounts that you have on TikTok. If you're using a personal TikTok account or a creator account, all you need is to get at least 1,000 followers for you to be able to add clickable website link to your TikTok profile. And also, if you're using a business account, you don't even need 1,000 followers. Any amount of followers that you have, even if it is less than 1,000, you'll be able to add a clickable website link. So if you're using a personal or a creator account and you have less than 1,000 followers, the option that you have to be able to add a clickable link on your TikTok profile is to convert your personal TikTok account to a professional or a business TikTok account. And also guys, I've already made a dedicated video that will show you how you can convert your personal TikTok account to a business account. Just go back to the description of this video, you will see the link right there. Tap on the link, they will be able to watch and learn how you can convert or switch your personal TikTok account to a business TikTok account. So guys, now let me go ahead and to tap on edit. Let me tap on it so I can proceed with this tutorial. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see links. You can see where it's written add link just next to the links. You can see that in circled area. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. Right here guys, you can see we have three options here. What you have to do now is to tap on the first one, which is written website. So you have to tap on website. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right now is to impute your website's URL right here. You have to paste the link of your website. So let me paste mine right away. You can see right there I've imputed my website link. This is my website URL. So let me go ahead now to tap on save at the top. So let me tap on save. Right there guys, can see it's saved. You can see edited, that's been saved. Right there guys, now let me go back now. Then let me tap on back. Wow guys, can now see my website right there. You can see the link to my website. That's my website URL right here on my TikTok profile. So anyone who comes to my TikTok profile will see the link right there and taps on the link will be directed to my website. So guys, this is how you can be able to add your website or link your website to your TikTok account, and I believe this was valuable to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.